I guess it really depends on your perspective. From a technology perspective, it's an evolution. In the same way that companies moved from steam power to electric power, and then through to the national grid, that was an evolution. And we've moved from mainframes to client servers and now into the cloud. So it's kind of an evolution. In terms of business, in business terms, really, it's going to change the way that we do business in the future. And the way that we will do business in the future is going to create huge opportunities. And really, we want to try and see if we can capture those opportunities. If we have a look at today in the Finnish, if we say wireless industry and the Finnish technology industry, I mean, we already have world-class, world-beating companies in this country. It's a stalwart in the world. It stands on its own. And if you think about those companies, there's a huge amount of revenue and a huge amount of jobs that are created by that industry and by those companies. And fundamentally, what would be an excellent opportunity, and especially with this cloud program, I believe it's possible, that we can take those companies and not just compete with the Goliaths of the Googles and the Apples of this world, but not just compete with them, but actually win. And I think that that's a massive opportunity, not just for the wireless industry that we're in right now, but for the whole of the Finnish economy. Absolutely. Fundamentally, I'm going to be doing some business research, and I'm going to be looking at frameworks and models that can help companies make the transition from where they are today in the traditional business models that people are operating in, and seeing how they can transition into the new world of business models. And if they can make that transition in a fast and painless way, then hopefully they will be able to maximize the opportunity that's out there to be gained. As far as the cloud program is concerned, and it's part of my personal objectives as well, is I would love to see this program providing value, real value to these companies. I don't want to see Finnish companies in a year's time competing with the Goliaths. I want to see them winning. I want to see them take on Apple. I want to see them take on Google, and I want to see them win. And I think that's possible, and I think it's something that I believe we should be looking to do within the next year.
Let's do that, Bronan. Thanks.
Thank you.